Okay, next we need to configure a DNS. So after installing the Active Directory, we need to configure a DNS. So let's go to our server and you can click on the server manager. You can go to DNS from many places. You can click here on DNS and right click on the server and go to DNS manager. Or you can click on the tool and you can go to DNS and it will take you here to DNS manager. Click on the server. So forward lookup zone is okay. It's test.local. However, reverse lookup zone is not configured. So right click and click new zone. Click next. Primary zone, click next. Keep the default next. IPv4 next and type the on network ID 192.168.100. This is our subnet for management. Okay, and click next, next, and finish. So we are done. Okay, so we configure DNS. Okay, and reverse lookup zone. After that, we choose the primary zone, then IPv4, then type the network ID. Okay, keep the default one and click finish. For verification, what you can do, you need to go to NS lookup. Either what you can do, you can in the same DNS, you can right click and go to NS lookup. So if there is no error, it means everything is okay. Beside that, we need to add some host record as well. Okay, such as for our HQ firewall, the IP address of HQ firewall and IP address, and also the server. Okay, so these two entries, later on we can do the other entries as well. So let's go back to our server, and for test purpose, right click here and there is launch NS lookup. So there is no error. Yeah, there is this default server unknown. So it means what we can do, we need to go to test.local and the server is there. Okay, however, in the reverse lookup zone, we don't have the entry. So right click and type new pointer, and our server IP is 230, and let's go to forward lookup zone, and this is our server, and choose and click OK. Now again right click here and let's check out. So now it's showing us, before it was unknown. Okay, and we can even test by SRV. So it's showing us everything is correct. Next we need to go to test.local and we need to type the entry for our firewall. So that one is HQ firewall and the IP address will be 100.200, and we can create the reverse lookup entry as well. Just choose this create associate pointer PTR and click add, and we are done. So now if we go back and let me refresh from here, so you're gonna see the entry for that one as well. Similarly, if you want to put entry for anything, so this is the way to put entry, and right click and go to NS lookup. If I say HQ firewall, so it will show us the IP address of HQ firewall. So now there is no error and everything is okay. So this is the way to configure DNS. So now our DNS working. Later on we can add more entry if we want. Okay, the simple way is just in the forward lookup zone we can create a host, okay, and type the IP and just choose this PTR, so it will create the reverse lookup as well. That's it, and we are done with the DNS configuration.